If you're considering buying Xero, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or an accountant, Xero could be the right fit for your accounting needs. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around to find out, because we're going to dive into 7 key things you should be aware of before you buy Xero, especially when comparing it to its competitors like QuickBooks and FreshBooks. Now, before we get into the details, you can actually try Xero for free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best free trial offer so you can get a feel for the software before committing. Let's kick things off with the first thing you need to know. Xero's user interface is incredibly intuitive. Many new users are surprised at how easy it is to navigate, especially if they're coming from something like QuickBooks, which can feel a bit overwhelming with its many options. Xero keeps things simple, with an easy-to-understand dashboard, so even if you're new to accounting, it doesn't feel like you're drowning in data. If you want a straightforward system that doesn't overwhelm you, this is a major win for Xero. Next thing. Xero's cloud-based functionality is a huge advantage. Everything you need is accessible on any device with an internet connection, and the platform automatically updates your financials in real time. This is key for businesses that need to stay on top of their cash flow, especially compared to desktop-based competitors like QuickBooks Desktop, where syncing your data is a hassle. The ability to access your data from anywhere is a big selling point for remote teams and freelancers. The third thing, Xero offers extensive integrations with over 800 third-party apps. If you need tools for invoicing, payroll, inventory management, or even tax calculation, chances are Xero has an app to integrate with. This gives you flexibility and allows you to build a custom workflow for your business. QuickBooks and FreshBooks do offer integrations as well, but Xero's vast network of compatible apps sets it apart in terms of versatility. Next up, Xero offers excellent customer support. Many users appreciate how easy it is to get help when needed, whether that's via live chat, email, or their comprehensive help center. In comparison, QuickBooks has been known for long wait times and lackluster support. So if customer service is a priority for you, Xero's stellar reputation here is definitely something to consider before buying. The fifth thing you should know is Xero's pricing structure. While Xero isn't the cheapest option, its tiered pricing model offers flexibility for different business needs. It's a good middle ground between QuickBooks' more expensive plans and FreshBooks' simpler, but sometimes too basic pricing. Xero's plans are scalable, so you can upgrade or downgrade based on your business size and complexity. Make sure to review the pricing carefully to ensure it's the right fit for your budget. The sixth thing to note is Xero's reporting capabilities. Whether you're generating financial reports for tax purposes or reviewing the health of your business, Xero has solid reporting features. Unlike FreshBooks, which has limited reporting, Xero gives you detailed insights and customizable options. This is a significant benefit for business owners who want to dive deep into their financials without needing advanced accounting knowledge. And the seventh and final thing you need to know is Xero's mobile app. It's one of the best mobile accounting apps on the market. Whether you need to invoice clients, capture receipts, or track expenses, the Xero mobile app gives you the freedom to manage your finances on the go. While QuickBooks also offers a mobile app, many users find Xero's to be more streamlined and user-friendly. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, cloud-based accounting solution with great integrations and support, Xero could be a solid choice for your business. However, if you need more advanced features, or if you're just looking for something simpler, there might be other options worth considering. If you want to try out Xero for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description for the best free trial available and get some exclusive benefits.